Hello, my dear student. In this question, it is mentioned, consider the following database table named as top scorer. And consider the following query. Select TA dot player from top scorer as a TA, where TA dot goal greater than all. Select TB dot goal from the top scorer as TB, where TB dot country equal to Spain, and select TA dot goal from which is greater than any. Select TC dot goal from top scorer as a TC, where country TC equal to Germany. So first of all, you have to find ki Spain wale. So here when you check, Spain is there, Germany, Brazil, Germany, France, Brazil, Germany, Hungary, Argentina, Peru, Poland, England, Germany, Germany. So here you will not getting any goal from the Spain. Mean to say you are getting empty set. Greater than empty, you will get all values. Now here AND operator. Second is what? TC dot country equal to Germany. So here you can see which having the Germany, this one. And what is the goal? What is the goal for Germany? What is the goal for Germany? Here you can say this one is the Germany, 14th and 11 and 10 and 10. Mean to say, here you see Germany having 16, 14, 11 and 10. What is the Germany goal? Germany goal is, we can say, my dear student, Germany city equal to Germany. Germany goal is 16, 14, 11, 16, 14, 11, 10 and 10, my dear. Okay. So here it is mentioned greater than any goal. TA dot goal greater than any 16, 14, 11, 10 or 10. Greater than it is mentioned. Greater than. So what this query will return, my dear student? This query will return, here you can see, which having the goal greater than 10. Because you know the working of any कि 16 से बड़े या 14 से बड़े या 11 से बड़े या 10 से बड़े. तो अगर आपके पास 10 से बड़े भी आ जाते, that will be counted. Okay. So here 10 से बड़े how much? You can see 10 से बड़े 10 से बड़े 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 tuple which having a goal greater than 10. There are 7 tuple which having a goal greater than 10, my dear. These are, here you are getting 7 tuples. I am giving this query as a query 2, this query as a query 1. Query 1. So when we do end of query, this is the query 2, query 1 tuples and query 2 7 tuples. Getting my point? So what is the output you will get? क्या मिलेगा आपको आउटपुट में? 7 tuple is the right answer. क्यों बच्चों? प्लीज यहां देखिए, स्पेन से बड़े, स्पेन के गोल कंट्री इक्वल टू स्पेन, उनसे बड़े. सो हियर यू विल गेट 0, 0 से बड़े यू विल गेट ऑल वैल्यूज 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 11, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. But when you apply AND operation, here, then you will get only 7 tuples. You will get only 7 tuples. Which 7 tuples you are getting? This 7 tuples: 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 and 11. This 7 tuple: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here AND operation is there. So what is the answer for this? 7, this one, and all. So what is the output? 7, my dear. So here you can see the number of tuples written by the above SQL query, that is 7 is the correct answer for this question. Hope so you get it. Thank you everyone.